Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ica Kairani with my student ID is 2410931009. In this video, I will explain the data processing in Industrial Statistics Module 1, focusing on parameter estimation and single sample mean hypothesis testing using Microsoft Excel. The problem statement in this study is how to determine parameter estimation and the result of hypothesis testing for the average monthly shopping frequency of the e-commerce consumers. The data used is the total monthly shopping frequency over 1 year, consisting of 12 months. This is the data and the mean of the every month. You get like this. The data used is the monthly shopping frequency from January to December. This data is classified as ungrouped data because it is not grouped into class intervals. In statistics, ungrouped data is used to directly calculate measures of central tendency and variability without grouping. Now, we will find the confidence interval for the data. First, we have to find the parameter estimation. Parameter estimation is a method used to estimate population parameters, such as the mean based on sample data. There are two types of the estimation. First is point estimation and interval estimation. In this case, we use interval estimation with a 95% confidence level, which means we are 95% confident that the population mean lies within the calculated interval. And the confidence interval is 95%. The signification level is 5%, and the mean we get from the average of the data, and the degree of freedom is 11. We get from the n-1 like this, and we get the t-table from this is minus 1.7959. Now we have to find the confidence interval. Confidence interval is a range of value used to estimate a population parameter with a certain level of confidence. The formula for the confidence interval is like this, and with a 95% confidence level, the interval obtained is like this. The mu is between the 2.268 and 3.096. This is mean that we are 95% confident that the true population mean lies between 2.2686 and 3.096 times per month. And now we have to find the parameter of the hypothesis testing. A single sample mean hypothesis test is a statistical product used to determine whether a population mean is equal to a specific value. In this case, we test whether the average shopping frequency of e-commerce consumers is equal to 3 times per month. First, we have to find the hypothesis testing parameter. The parameter is like this. We can see the mean of the sample, the total of the sample, the standard deviation, the degree of freedom, the significance level or the alpha, and the t-table we get before the same. And the T count we get from like this from this formula. Hypothesis is the H naught is mu equal to 3 and the H1 is mu less than 3. Since the alternative hypothesis is less than uh, less than this is left tail test is used. The t-test is used. We found the t-test because the sample size is less than 30 and the population standard deviation is unknown. The t calculate is the value obtained from sample data, and the t table is the critical value from the t distribution. And for the degree of freedom is n minus 1. The t count we get from this formula, and we get the result like this. Next, for the critical region, the critical region is the rejection area of the null hypothesis. Since this is a left tail test, since this is a left tail test, H naught is rejected if t calculate is less than t table. After we get the t calculate, the decision we get is, since the value of t calculate is equal to minus 1.3793, which is greater than minus 1.7959, uh, it doesn't fall into the rejection region. Therefore, the decision for the hypothesis testing is fail to reject the H naught. So the conclusion is, based on the hypothesis test, it can be concluded that there is not enough evidence to state that the average monthly shopping frequency is less than 3 times per month. So the population mean is still approximately 3 times per month. This result is also consistent with the nine, uh, 95% confidence interval, which include the value 3. Therefore, statistically, there is no significant difference between the sample mean and the value of 3 times per month. After we get the hypothesis testing, this is the graphical of the normal distribution for this case. This is the left tail test for the t-test, and we get the result like this. So that's all for my presentation and explanation. Sorry if I have make any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.